Hello, a brief pause. Who doesn't like bunnies at Easter time? Even though this is mostly geared towards a farmhouse, a little bit faith in it. I'm painting these yellow glittery Easter bunnies brown, and then I'm going to add the little tail at the end of them. Thus far, this is what I have. I decorated 2 of the florals, the Easter egg florals in twine. These were pulled off the lilies that I used in a previous DIY, and I saved the eggs. It's like I'm saving the bunnies. I did not want to use these in the lilies that I was using. And so far, this is what the back it looks like. I used 3 little screws, which I will wire that basket on. And then, of course, there's the hymnal. It's dried, coated with Mod Podge, and then I kind of outlined it with twine to bring that bunny figure out a little bit more. And I will add a cottontail at the end of that one too, so they kind of match. So thank you, and let's continue with the slideshow. Hi, it's Miss Jones again with a brief pause. Now a lot of people glue the basket to the back or the front of this wall decor. I do not. I like to wire it on, and like I showed you earlier, I placed 3 little screws in the bottom here. It'll be covered. You won't see it. Now I take some wire and I wrap the wire around the screw first, and then I will attach it to the basket and twist it. All right? You can then place the screw further in or leave it like this. Like I said, all the greenery and everything will be covering it, so you won't even see it. But if you want this project to last for years to come, you spend all this time on it, you want to wire it on like this. And these little screws, you can buy them at DollarTree. And also, I've been buying a lot of the plant brackets, and I've been using them for my arms on things. I saved those screws. They're black, they're little. You can use those too. But I use these silver little ones, okay? I'll use those other black screws for something else. And I added the bunny tail. A quick tip for the bunny tail: when you get a cotton ball, there's lots of fibers sticking out. Moisten your hand and roll the ball, and then that will keep its form. Just roll it with your hands with a little bit of moisture on it, like water, and then roll that ball. And there you go. And that's how I'll do the little tiny ball for the little tiny bunny. Once again, this is how I'm going to attach the basket, and it will last a long time. And the DollarTree already has the hook on the back, so there you go. I don't even need an extra hook. So far, isn't this adorable? And then, yes, I did throw a little bit of paint. The paint that's on the bunny, I threw that kind of in the top. I have to blend it in. And then I did brush a little bit of paint around the twine to bring it out a little bit. Alrighty? Not sure if I'm going to place a little ribbon across here or not for the bunny. We'll see. Because, as you can tell, there's a little part of that windmill still showing, so I might place some twine around here for the bunny's neck and then add twine to the little bunny so it blends in too. This is what you call mixed media art, just in case you didn't know. Other than it being a DollarTree project. It's mixed media art. Alright, let's continue the slideshow. Thank you. Here's the finished product. Only a couple dollars to make. A little bit of imagination. And there you go. Not too much, but yet it says what it needs to say, I think. Look at that. Stand up to Jesus. with the bunny. Cute little bunny. You can barely see the welcome sign, but that's okay. You can add more florals if you want and cover that out entirely and just look like the bunny is standing up in the florals. You could do that. Crafting is about freedom. You could do any way you want to do it. I upload the videos and bring them to you just to give you ideas. That's all. Use DollarTree products. We just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, and then stuff I already have. Isn't that cute little bunny? The twine wrapped eggs. That's to bring it into that farmhouse style. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Be sure to see the last video where I made the wagon wheel the second time. Bless. Here's our cute little number. My idea will also allow it to sit on its own, like for a centerpiece, or you can place it on the wall. Well, here it is. I added it to my Easter decor on top of my fish aquarium. Now, the fish have passed away in February, and so I made the aquarium into a shadow box. This is Miss Everly's cookie jar from 2 years ago. I'm going to fill it up with some candy for her in a little bit. That's on my channel. Here's our Easter baskets for this year. It's also a storage unit. Underneath the dress is a hidden compartment where they can keep their journals or whatever they want to hide. Beautiful decoration for all year round, but this is Easter basket. That is on my channel. Well, here is the inside of the tank. Miss Legacy and I made this last year. And it is on YouTube. How to upcycle a stiletto shoe. Isn't it cute? And then, of course, my favorite Tim Holtz upcycle that I have done. And I've done a few of them. But it shows a little tea party in the inside. See that? A picture of us in the background. And there's also a picture of my grandmother, whom is their great-grandmother. And I upload a few videos in her memory. Here she is, Miss Everly. She'll be 4 years old. Oh my gosh. They're getting big so fast. My 2 grandbabies. Yeah, just, you know, throw some eggs in here. This tank was cleaned out. I cleaned everything, and then I thought, well, I'm not going to place water back in it again and raise fish again. It didn't do too well with the last bunch, so let's make it into a shadow box for now. And here's Miss Everly's Easter basket. Hers is a bumblebee theme. And she too has a hidden compartment underneath hers. And if you watch my video, I show you how to make a Father's Day coffee station. And this came from the idea of how I made the storage baskets. Here's another upcycle stiletto shoe that Miss Legacy and I made last year. So once again, here's the little number we made today. Isn't it cute? It's very personalized too, if you think about it. And that's the way you want to craft your stuff. The way you like it. Art is freedom. And once again, I will be upcycling and repurposing the fireplace insert. Right now, I showed you in the last video, last month, or I should say beginning of March, that I have a birthday honoree in there. And that's my dog, Nova. She turns 1 March 10th. Well, I'm going to take all that out, and I'm going to do a Game of Thrones, and you are going to absolutely love it if you like Game of Thrones. And I mean, you will love this idea. Working on it already. gathering some things together. Until then, thank you for stopping in and viewing what I did for my Easter decor. And then, yes, I fixed my oil lamp too, my oil light. Finally found a bulb for it, and it's going pretty good. I have a couple strands that have not started yet, but they will, because I just started this a couple hours ago. Had to run all over the place to look for a bulb that'll fit inside there. Great investment. I love this. Bought it on eBay. You'll see the video where I first opened it up and started up, and I still have it today. Please subscribe if you'd like to stick around and enjoy my family crafts. We do not sell anything. I do not make any money at all off these craft ideas. I just upload it to YouTube so then my grandchildren can see later on how I created things when they're older. They can have arts and crafts with Basha anytime. Bless. This is March 20th, 2019.